Weather these days, Indian summer monsoon, ये जून से सितंबर वाला month, it's so disturbing and misleading that we're really tough to figure out that whether it is monsoon really or humidity वाला summer. And just because of this messy Mausam, our fashion game is not going stable at all, and ये समझ नहीं आ रहा whether to dress like summer outfits or monsoon outfits. And from there, this idea came into my mind that I should sit down and talk about this fashion dilemma that we are facing these days. I'm going to talk about some fashion hacks that I practice every year during this Indian summer monsoon months, and all the hacks are going to be extremely practical, so I think आपके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा helpful होगा. Also, if you're new to this channel, hi, I'm Alisha. I make fashion, fitness and lifestyle videos, and I hope you have a nice time. And without further ado, let's get started. Blazer over dresses. This is an automatic reflex. Summers may we wear a lot of dresses, A-line dresses, mini dresses, slit dress, floral dresses, but it doesn't work really when अचानक से बारिश हो जाए तो. And real में कोई भी हीरो ब्लेजर लेके नहीं आता. मेरे साथ तो ऐसा नहीं हुआ. शायद मेरे हीरो को मानसून पसंद नहीं है. So we should carry our own blazers. I know I suck at logic, but blazer over dresses looks super cool, super smart in this mixed Mausam and goes really, really well. You'll feel empowered, you'll feel strong, you'll feel beautiful and well dressed at the same time. I generally find मौका as such to wear blazer over my dresses क्योंकि वो थोड़े थोड़े टाइप वाले ठंड से भी बचाता है. Again, it protects us from suntan, so we can easily move from morning to evening according to the weather. Using basic tees, I live for this hack to look cute because it instantly level up your dressing and layering game. That is wearing basic tees under your strappy tops, and summers में I love wearing strappy top and cami top, but because of the skin show around the neck area, we tend to get goosebumps क्योंकि अभी मौसम इतना ज़्यादा unpredictable है that I'm completely avoiding wearing strappies and camis like alone. Instead of wearing it alone, I'm wearing it over a basic tee, black tee, white tee, or at times a statement tee if my cami top is kind of solid. And in this way, I don't miss out on enjoying camis in summers, and again, it looks super cute and chill. Carrying denim coords. This is not a hack as such, but a complete solution for those who just don't want to put in a lot of brains to dress up for this messy Indian summer monsoon wala mausam. Just carry a denim coord set and you're good to go. You look complete, you look chic for the summers, and again आप protected भी रहोगे. And carrying cord makes it really easy to dress up or dress down at times. And मैंने ये cord लिया था अपने birthday पे. It is in this lavender lilac sort of a color, and I just love it. But if you don't have something like this, you can definitely create the same damn look out of some really basic pieces from your closet. A blue denim jacket and blue denim jeans, वो cord वाला look ही देगा, and again will do the job as well. So, and also I don't think कि blue denim jacket and blue jeans का कोई replacement है. So I think that's the hack. Combining dark and bright colors at the same time, combining two colors from different poles is the best option for Indian summer monsoon. Summer में we mostly wear a lot of bright colors like pink, green, yellow, pastels, but ये मौसम इतना अनप्रिडिक्टेबल है दैट यू नेवर नो कब आपको ठंड लगने लगे एंड कब बहुत ज़्यादा अनईजी वाली ह्यूमिडिटी वाली गर्मी लगने लगे. सो इट्स ऑलवेज सेफ टू कंबाइन टू डिफरेंट पोल वाले कलर्स. यू कैन वेयर अ डार्क कलर लाइक ब्लैक, brown or navy blue to feel warm and cozy. Again, you can combine it with some bright colors in order to maintain the summer wala aesthetic at the same time. So I just love carrying both the colors, and garmi ke time pe we mostly avoid wearing dark colors like black and all because it absorbs heat and बहुत ज़्यादा uneasy लगता है. But Indian summer monsoon is the best period to play around with the colors and to create looks that are amazingly balanced with two different colors of two different poles. Throwing on a shirt. Shirts are the best part of fashion hacks, and I am a pro shirt stealer. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद करती हूँ oversized shirts. I can wear anyone's, and Indian summer monsoon has a lot to do with shirts, like fashion hacks में तो specially. And recently मैंने एक summer outfit video भी बनाया था जिसमें भी मैंने एक ऐसा look दिखाया था जिसमें I was wearing a crop top and इसके ऊपर से shirt. And yes, you can definitely carry shirt over your spaghetti top, cami top, and your crop top, and that genuinely look good, stylish at the same time, protects you from summer, protects you from monsoon as well. तो ये बहुत ज़्यादा balance लगता है. And recently I have also seen one look created by Kendall Jenner जिसमें उन्होंने ऐसा ही look create किया था and बहुत ज़्यादा stylish लग रहा था. So that's the best part about Indian summer monsoon, that you can just play around with different pieces, pick up different pieces from your closet and you can combine and can create blasting looks. So that's pretty much about the video and I hope कि आपके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा helpful रहा हो. Please put down in the comments कि आप क्या क्या करते हो ऐसे Indian summer monsoon में, and please fashion पे stick करने की जरूरत नहीं है. You can talk irrelevant things. I know I talk irrelevant shits at time. By the way, I also eat pakoras with a glass of chilled ruafza in this Mausam. So yeah, give it a thumbs up and please follow me on Instagram @Alisha180_ and please subscribe. I love you guys and I'll see you in the next one. Ta-da!